Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ashar Zulkarnain bin Muhammad Sabir, and I'm going to explain to you how you can locate a property in Malaysia using a Grand Mukim or Mukim Grant via online database, online title search to site visit. Now, first thing first, in Malaysia, land ownership is governed under the torrent system. This is where registered title they serve as a conclusive evidence, like we have a hard copy of the ownership. Now, one of one of the most common types of land titles is Grand Mukim, which it refers to the land registered under the district land office systems. Now, in order for you to locate a property from online database, first uh, you must perform an official land title search, also known as Carian Rasmi, using online system such as we have eTanah, where available, or by visiting the local district land office. So the information obtained is including lot number and mukim. It can then be used to locate the property using JUPEM cadastral map, which there it will provide you a boundary maps and coordinates. However, because Grand Mukim title are not based on precise surveys, the boundaries shown on the maps may be approximate, and on-site verification is recommended, especially prior to any development or any transaction. Okay, the very first step is that you need to understand the Grand Mukim. So this is the example of the Grand Mukim. A Grand Mukim is a land title issued for a property that is registered under a Mukim, which is sub-district, within a specific daerah in Malaysia. The document contains critical details, such as, first thing here we can see is the title number. Next is the lot number. Next, the Mukim, daerah and negeri. After that, you should have name of registered owner on the Grand Mukim. Then we have the size and boundaries of the lot. And last but not least, restriction or encumbrance, if there is any. The document is essential for initiating a property search and confirming its legitimacy. Next, the very second step is interpreting the grant information. Once the grant is obtained, the next step is we need to interpreting the details. The most important part is the lot number and the land location description, including the Mukim, district, and state. The lot number is the key identifier that it links the document to physical land on cadastral maps maintained by the Department of Survey and Mapping Malaysia, also known as JUPEM. Now, JUPEM plays a central role in property location because it is responsible for all official cadastral maps and the survey records. Now, the maps it show the physical boundaries and dimension of land parcel, as well as their relationship to the nearby lots. JUPEM provide access to this data through services such as we can use MyGeosurf and eCadastre, where landowner and professional can obtain digital survey plans, certified maps, and lot boundary data. To locate my property, I can use my lot number to search the JUPEM system and obtain a plan UKO survey plan or plan cadastre, which is cadastral plan. Now I'm in my lot which is provided by JUPEM, where you can put your address here, and then it will search for your property, and here will appear your lot number 11466. After that, you can go to the Plan Cadastre app, choose your state, and put the lot number here and submit. After that, it will appear several locations. So as you can see, here is my subject property. And then to make sure, you click here, press OK, and there you go. So these documents give a scale, technical drawing of the lot exact position, size, and orientation, which are essential for physical verification and legal reference. So the green color here is my subject property. Next, the third step. After obtaining the title and understand the legal description, the next step is you need to cross-reference the information with cadastral maps that I showed you just now. These maps can be accessed via JUPEM, My GeoPortal, or by visiting a JUPEM office. Some local authorities also provide online GIS portal, spelled GIS, that overlay cadastral data on satellite imagery, which helps us to visualize the property exact location. Using the lot number and game, the property can be located on cadastral map. Last but not least is planning the site visit. With a confirmed location from cadastral references and satellite images, the next step is you need to plan for a site visit. This includes identifying the nearest access, road, or path using maps and satellite imagery. Then you need to prepare necessary documentation, especially if the land is private owned or within a gated area, so it is easier for you to access. After that, it is important for you to bring relevant tools such as a GPS device, printed maps, compass, and copies of grant or survey plan for on-site verification. Now, during the site visit, use the coordinates on cadastral map references to locate the physical boundaries of the property. This is to match landmarks and boundary markers. As example, boundary stones or fences with the survey plan. Then you may take photograph and notes. Here is the example that I used to do it when I'm pursuing my diploma back then. Then assess the land condition, access, topography, and surrounding development. If needed, you need to engage a licensed land surveyor to verify boundaries or peg the land. In conclusion, locating property in Malaysia involves a multi-step process that starts with a title search and ends with an on-site inspection. Each phase, from obtaining and interpreting the grant to referencing official cadastral maps on conducting a site visit, is essential in ensuring the property is legally and physically identified. This due diligence process is important not only to confirming of ownership, but also for avoiding legal disputes and ensure that the land meets the intended use or investment objective. That is all from me.